Imagine a world in which you may come across a flower that is older than any known plant, a dinosaur with spikes on its ribs, or a penguin the size of a person. It sounds fantastical, doesn't it? The fact that all of them are actual animals that once inhabited the earth millions of years ago may surprise you. Prehistoric animals and plants are those that existed before the beginning of written history. Their diversity and complexity fascinate us. Some of them are so peculiar and astounding that they go against what we anticipate from them and our conception of nature. We'll show you 11 of the most startling new findings about ancient animals that scientists have discovered worldwide. You will discover why they are so crucial to our understanding of the past, as well as information on their appearance, behavior, habitat, and evolution. You'll also find out which one is the biggest, strongest, oldest, and most enigmatic of all of them. We assure you that you won't want to miss this. Welcome to our channel, where we share the most incredible tales and facts from nature, science, and history. If you're new here, you may want to subscribe and click the bell symbol to get updates on our most recent videos. And I appreciate your support if you are already a subscriber. Let's begin our list of the 11 most startling new findings about ancient animals now. First of all, Nanjinganthus dendrostela is the oldest known fossilized flower with petals and a cup-like shape. Nanjinganthus dendrostela, the oldest known fossilized flower found in Nanjing, China, has been found to contradict the theory that flowers evolved around 130 million years ago during the Cretaceous epoch. The flower, which contained female reproductive components, ovules, and seeds, had 4 or 5 spoon-shaped petals arranged radially. The branching style, a stalk perpendicular to the petals, had a tree-like appearance. The discovery suggests that flowers pushed back the origin of some of the earliest dinosaurs by at least 50 million years, coexisting with them. Number 2. Wulong bohaiensis, a feathered reptile that dances to attract potential mates, is the dinosaur. It has 2 long feathers on its tail. Chinese, American, and British scientists have discovered a complete and well-preserved fossil of Wulong bohaiensis, a feathered dinosaur found in Liaoning Province, China. The dinosaur, similar to a raven, had a long bony tail twice as long as its body and feather-like wings on its limbs and legs. Its distinctive 12-inch long plumes at the tail's end, resembling ribbons, were identified as a possible display and communication tool. Researchers found that Wulong bohaiensis tail plumes were similar to modern birds, suggesting that social status or species identification was more important than sexual maturity. The fossil belonged to a juvenile individual, suggesting that social status or species identification was more important than sexual maturity. Number 3. Thanatotheristes degrutorum was a new species of tyrannosaur, older and more dangerous than T. Around 79 million years ago, Thanatotheristes degrutorum, a large carnivorous dinosaur found in Alberta, Canada, was one of the oldest members of the tyrannosaur family. The fossil, discovered by John and Sandra de Groot, exhibited distinctive features that set it apart from other tyrannosaurs. Thanatotheristes degrutorum was around 26 feet long and weighed about 2 tons. Its teeth were sharp and had sharp edges, and its snout was deep. The most striking feature was a series of vertical ridges on its upper jaw, possibly connected to powerful muscles. This finding refutes the widely accepted notion of tyrannosaurs as a more diverse and widespread species. The 4th dinosaur on the list is the massive aquatic Spinosaurus aegyptiacus, which could swim and hunt in water. The semi-aquatic dinosaur Spinosaurus was found in 1912 by Ernst Stromer, a German paleontologist. It was capable of competing with modern sharks and crocodiles. Early 20th century fossil discoveries in Morocco and Egypt provided new insights into their distinctive traits. The Spinosaurus had conical teeth, webbed feet and claws, strong, compact bones, crocodile-like nostrils on its head, and a long, flexible tail covered in tall, thin spines. Strong thrust and exceptional aquatic mobility were provided by its tail, which served as its main source of propulsion. This finding shows that dinosaurs were more diverse and adaptable than previously thought, enabling them to make use of a range of habitats and resources. Our understanding of dinosaurs has changed as a result of the discovery of Spinosaurus, which proved that they could swim and hunt in the water, demonstrating their adaptability and diversity. Number 5. Nodosaurid, an armored dinosaur that had both its skin and its armor extremely well preserved. Nodosaurids were armored dinosaurs that lived in the late Jurassic Late Cretaceous era, between 155 and 66 million years ago. They were small-headed, thick-limbed, slow-moving herbivores with short necks. The 4-legged tank is a well-preserved nodosaurid mummy found in Alberta, Canada, in 2011. The mummy, about 18 feet long and weighing over 3,000 pounds, is believed to belong to a recently discovered but unknown nodosaurid species. The mummy's skin and armor exhibit the nodosaurid's color, texture, and pattern in remarkable detail. The bone plates, osteoderms, are keratin-coated and inserted under the skin. The fossil also shows some internal organs, such as the stomach and intestines, packed with plant material. This discovery is important because it clarifies the biology and ecology of armored dinosaurs, particularly nodosaurids, and illustrates their diverse and complex armor system, which may have been used for communication, thermoregulation, or defense. Number 6. Kongonophone, a diminutive ancestor of pterosaurs and dinosaurs, was about 4 inches in length. Kongonophone, a small reptile found in Madagascar around 237 million years ago, is one of the earliest animals to be identified as part of the Ornithodira order. The fossil, consisting of teeth, jaws, limbs, and a skull, identifies Kongonophone as an ornithodairan. Kongonophone was 3.5 inches long and 4 inches tall, with a slender snout and small conical teeth designed for insects. Its small weight is indicated by its short tail, long narrow legs, and fragile bone structure. This discovery reveals that ornithodairans, the ancestors of dinosaurs and pterosaurs, were lower in stature and saw a sharp decline in size early in their evolutionary history. This discovery reveals the biology and ecology of armored dinosaurs, particularly nodosaurids, and their diverse and complex armor system, which may have been used for communication, thermoregulation, or defense. The nodosaurid corpse also shows they could decompose tough plants and live in swampy, humid environments. Number 7. The dinosaur is the peculiar Ubirajara jubatus, which possesses long, stiff shoulder ribbons and a mane of structures like hair. Ubirajara jubatus, a small theropod dinosaur from Brazil, lived around 110 million years ago. Found in 2011, it was part of the Compsognathidae family and had unique features such as complete integumentary structures. The dinosaur had a long tail, a thin head, and a slim body. It was 4 feet long and weighed 7 pounds. It had simple filaments that resembled the protofeathers of other theropods. However, Ubirajara jubatus had 2 sets of complex integumentary structures, long stiff filaments resembling ribbons and small furry filaments forming a mane. This discovery demonstrates how integumentary structures arose independently and convergently in different dinosaur species, making it one of the most colorful and flamboyant dinosaurs ever. This discovery is important for understanding the biology and ecology of armored dinosaurs, particularly nodosaurids, and their ability to blend in or absorb heat. Number 8. Oculudentavis kaungrae, a little dinosaur with enormous eyes and needle-like teeth that resembled a bird. Oculudentavis kaungrae, the smallest dinosaur ever discovered, was found in amber from Myanmar. It was one of the smallest vertebrates, with a huge brain case, a short skull, big eyes, a pointed snout, and 23 teeth on each side of its mouth. The dinosaur's tiny size and shape allowed it to live in various environments and lifestyles. However, its origin and identification remain controversial. Some scientists believe it was a bird from a recently found avian dinosaur genus, while others believe it was a lizard from a new class of squamate reptiles. The paper was taken out of the journal Nature due to ethical concerns over the trade in fossils and amber from Myanmar. A third study suggested it was a different species with certain traits in birds, but the absence of a reliable comparison casts doubt on this effort. The discovery is important because it clarifies the biology and ecology of armored dinosaurs, particularly nodosaurids, and demonstrates their diverse and complex armor system, which may have been used for communication, thermoregulation, or defense. The ferocious predatory dinosaur Lucalcan aleocranianus, which had a powerful bite and an excellent sense of hearing, is number 9. Lucalcan aleocranianus, an enormous abelisaurid dinosaur, was discovered in Argentina 85 million years ago. It shared a habitat with Viavenator exoni and had a distinctive jaw and skull. Researchers from Argentina, Brazil, and the UK found the fossil, measuring 16 feet in length and weighing around 2 tons. It may have been used for display or combat due to its sharp teeth, deep skull, small snout, and ridges and crests. The most distinctive feature of Lucalcan aleocranianus is its small air-filled middle ear sinus, which may have enhanced its hearing and helped it locate prey more successfully. This discovery reveals that abelisaurids were more diverse and widespread than previously thought, with unique evolutionary histories and ecological roles across many continents. 10th place, Spicomelus. Spicomelus, a genus of ankylosaurian dinosaurs, was discovered around 164 million years ago on the supercontinent Gondwana during the Middle Jurassic period. It was the first newly identified ankylosaur species in Africa in 50 years. The fossil, known for its distinctive feature of a single rib with 4 co-ossified spines, was found in 2021. Spicomelus was a short, stocky man with a beaked mouth, teeth, and a huge skull. It had a short neck, thick limbs, and a flat, wide torso. Spicomelus's sides and back were covered with bone plates and spikes for protection, composed of osteoderms. The best preserved dinosaur mummy, Spicomelus, exhibits the color, texture, and pattern of the animal in detail. The discovery provides new information on the biology and ecology of ankylosaurs, shedding light on their survival, skin and armor, and life and demise. Number 11. The little penguin of Wilson. Wilson's little penguin, discovered in 2020 in the Wanganui Basin of New Zealand, is the earliest known extinct species. The fossil, composed of 2 partially complete skulls, measures 13.5 inches long and weighs 2 pounds. It had a slender beak, small teeth, and large eyes secured by sturdy bones. The penguin had a long neck, slender wings, 3 fingers, 4 toes on each foot, and stout, short legs. Its black and white feathers had a dark back and a white belly. This discovery is significant as it demonstrates that little penguins originated in Aotearoa, New Zealand, and have continued to inhabit the area despite significant environmental and climatic changes over millions of years. Conclusion: the 11 most startling recent finds of ancient animals are now complete on our list. Some of the most amazing and surprising details of the ancient world have been uncovered by these finds, which range from small dinosaurs and enormous penguins to aquatic predators and armored mummies. They have also offered fresh perspectives on the variety, development, and extinction of ancient animals, as well as how they influenced the course of Earth's past and future. However, which finding shocked you the most? Which dinosaur was more terrifying? The tiniest, the oldest, the strangest, or something entirely else? Or was there another reason? Tell us in the comments section below. We would be delighted to hear your ideas and viewpoints. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more incredible material, share this video with your friends, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. We appreciate your time and we hope to see you again soon.